What's the meaning of biryani? Biryani. Biryani.
Biryani. Biryani. Biryani is a popular South Asian dish that is believed to have originated in India. This dish consists of rice and meat, usually chicken, lamb, or beef, that are slow-cooked in a blend of spices, including cumin, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and bay leaves. Biryani is typically served with a side of raita, a yogurt-based sauce, or chutney, a sweet and spicy condiment. It is often considered a special occasion dish and is commonly served at weddings, parties, and other festive events. Biryani can be enjoyed in many different variations, each with its own unique blend of spices and flavors.